Hi friends, today let's read a book, Yawning Yoga. Try to hold each pose for 3 to 5 breaths. Move through the poses at your own pace. Do all the poses or choose a few different ones to do before bedtime. Each exercise should feel good and get you ready for bed. Yawning yoga helps me unwind, thank my body, my spirit, my mind. So after PJs, brush and comb, I settle down with a gentle Om, connecting with the soothing sound, connecting with the world around. Let's begin with an Om. Sit or stand tall. Breathe in deeply and then exhale, making the sound of Om. For as long as you comfortably can. Repeat 3 times. Mountain, Tadasana. Steady and strong, a mountain so tall. Quiet and still, I wait for nightfall. Inhale, exhale, my breathing slows. Rooted, reaching, air through me flows. Stand with arms at your side and feet hip distance apart. Keep your eyes focused on a point in front of you. Breathe in and out, imagining you are a mountain. Hugs and kisses, Uttanasana. My head drops down like the setting sun. To kiss my knees, now day is done. Fingers wrap hugs around my toes. I take a deep breath and then my eyes close. Start in mountain pose. Inhale, stretching your arms up to the sky. Exhale, folding at your hips and letting your arms dangle. After several breaths, slowly roll back up to stand in mountain pose. Dog, tired down dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana. It's fun to be a dog, pretend. Down on all fours like my best friend. I wag my tail and nod my head, then shake each leg and climb in bed. Starting on your hands and knees, tuck your toes into the floor and lift your bottom up in the air, into the air. Keep your arms straight and strong. Let your head hang loosely and gently. Shake it yes and no. Gently rock your bottom from side to side. Lift one leg at a time and wiggle it slowly. Seashell Balasana. Ready for rest? I curl up like a shell. My breath becomes a calming swell. A wave rolls in. Count 1, 2, 3. A wave rolls out back to the sea. Start on your hands and knees. Then sit back, bringing your bottom to your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you with palms down, or let your palms relax along the sides of your body, palms up. Rest your forehead on the floor and close your eyes. Butterfly, Baddha Konasana. A butterfly flaps its wings in the breeze, flexing and stretching, flying with ease. After a ride through shining moonbeams, I settle down in time for sweet dreams. Sit up tall and bring the soles of your feet together, forming your butterfly wings. Breathing in, lift your knees. Breathing out, lower your knees. Continue flapping your butterfly. Bedtime bug, Ananda Balasana. A bedtime bug rocks to and fro, back and forth with nowhere to go. Rocking left and rocking right helps me sleep all through the night. Lie on your back. Pull your knees into your chest and hold the outer edges of your feet with your hands. Open your knees as wide apart as your torso. Move slowly from side to side to massage your lower back. Jelly belly, Jatara Parivartanasana. When muscles feel all tense and tight, I do this stretch each and every night. I twist right round like a roll with jelly to soothe my back, my legs, my belly. Lie flat on your back and bring your knees into your chest. Open your arms out to each side like the letter T. Slowly drop your knees to the left side and take 3 to 5 full breaths. Slowly bring your knees back to your chest and then drop them to the right, taking 3 to 5 more breaths. Candlestick, Viparita Karani. Legs be nimble, legs be quick, legs upright like a candlestick. Legs be lively, legs reach high, flicker like flames right up to the sky. Lie on your back and rest your legs against a wall. Wiggle your toes. Keep your arms down alongside your body. To keep your neck safe, keep your eyes on your toes. Catch and release, Dharana. Life like fireflies caught up in a jar. My worries sparkle like little stars. I open the lid and worries release. With one deep sigh, I am now at peace. Lie on your back with arms at your side. Close your eyes and relax your mind. Picture in your mind the fireflies being released from the jar. Let go of your thoughts or worries so your mind is ready to rest. Allow enough time to let your worries fly away. Thankful, Yoga Nidra and Savasana. To thank my body, now day is done. Each part I name, going one by one. Relaxing down from head to toe, sink into the earth and let it all go. Lie on your back and begin by saying good night to your face, neck, shoulders, arms, hands and fingers. Then say good night to your chest, ribs and stomach. Finally, say good night to your hips, legs, feet and toes. Take a big breath in and let out a big sigh. Ha. Now that your whole body feels comfortable and relaxed, close your eyes, be quiet and still for a few minutes. Namaste. This is the way I finish the day. Hands at my heart, I say Namaste. The light in me seems the light in you. I bow my head and my light shines through. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Say Namaste. The end. Thank you.